In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color automatically based on value in Microsoft Excel. We'll be using Excel's conditional formatting feature, which is a simple and powerful way to make your spreadsheet easier to read. Instead of manually filling cells with color one by one, Excel can do it for you automatically based on the values inside each cell. To get started, open your Excel file. Once your worksheet is open, select the data you want to format and make sure the full range is highlighted. This is important because the rules you create will only apply to the cells you have selected. Now let's add the first rule. With your data selected, go to the Home tab, then choose Conditional Formatting and click New Rule. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, select Format Only Cells that contain. Then under the rule settings, choose cell value, set it to less than, and enter 50. This tells Excel that any cell with a value below 50 should be formatted in a specific way. Next, click Format. Another window will open, and this is where you choose the appearance of those cells. Go to the Fill tab and select red as the fill color. Then click OK, and click OK again to apply the rule. Now any value under 50 in your selected range will automatically appear with a red background. Next, we'll create a second rule for medium values. Highlight your dataset again so the new rule applies to the same range. Go back to Home, Conditional Formatting, and New Rule. Once again, choose Format Only Cells that contain. This time, set the rule to cell value, then choose between and enter 50 and 74. That means any value from 50 through 74 will match this condition. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and choose yellow. Then click OK to confirm the formatting. This gives your medium range values a yellow highlight, making them easy to spot at a glance. From here, repeat the same process until you've added all the cell colors you want. For example, low scores can be red, medium scores can be yellow, and high scores can be green. The exact colors are up to you, but the process stays the same each time. Select the data, create a new rule, define the value range, and choose the full color. Once your rules are in place, Excel will automatically color the cells for you whenever the values match those conditions. That means no manual coloring is needed, and your data becomes much more visual and easier to understand. And that's it.